Okay, this topic, converting between logarithmic and exponential equations, gets down to kind of what the heart of what logarithms are for is that they're the inverse of having something as an exponent. But if you're trying to convert between them, the thing that I like to grab first is the base because it's the most noticeable piece. It just kind of stands out in both equations. So when you're reading this and it says log base b of x equals y, when I'm going to rewrite it as an exponential equation, then I know that b is my base. So log base b is the same as this is the number that the exponent's going to go on. And then really, if you can keep these other two straight, there's only two parts. There's only, you're 50-50 at this point. So the answer in a logarithm is your exponent. And when we get numbers in here, like on the actual question, the other big check that you get is that you can see, and I'm just using the colors to kind of emphasize the place of where they all go. So if you have something written like this or like this, they're equivalent to each other. And so in this section, they will give you logarithms and have you rewrite them as exponential and vice versa. So in my specific version of this question right now, part A gives us log base 8 of 8 equals 1. So my base is 8, this little red number, if we were matching up with the colors over there. My exponent is 1, and so the other 8 has to go on the other side. So here's the exponential version of this. Now here's what I like when you get actual numbers in here. You can check and make sure this is true, right? It's 8 to the first equals 8. So that definitely works out. Okay, then they give us an exponential statement. They say 3 to the negative fourth equals 1 over 81, right? It's the reciprocal of 3 to the fourth since it's got a negative exponent. But we're not trying, that's not what we're concerned with at this point. We're just trying to rewrite it as a logarithm. Okay, so we can see that our base is 3. And this is what I mean about the base kind of standing out. I like to do that first. So the base is 3, the thing that has an exponent on it, right? And then where do the rest of my pieces go? Well, the 1 over 81 is essentially like my x here. So it's going inside the logarithm. So log base 3 of 1 over 81 should equal negative 4. Or if you like to remember, like I said, that the exponent is the answer in your logarithm, then the negative 4 ends up on the outside. So you're just switching between two forms. They're having you practice this so you'd be ready to solve with them later.